He's done that bit too late.
Jack, we got to sabotage them. They're about to win.
Oh, come on. I'll do shit in this game. Oh shit.
Little boy, Troy. There's one, Jack. Get him.
Get him. Thank you, guys. Get him.
Sorry, Jack.
That's alright. Never mind. He's a slippery one, this one, isn't he?
Strongest shapes triangle. Quick. Oh, Jack, I'm hanging.
No, Ryan! Ryan, I'm so sorry! No, it's gonna win! No!
Jack.
Yes! Oh no, he's back up! Oh, it's the shittest round! No! Yes! No!